Hi, welcome to Cooking Minds. This is Ranjita, and today we are making delicious healthy oats cookies with no flour and no refined sugar. These cookies are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and naturally sweetened. Why wait? Let's get started. I'm taking two ripe bananas and mashing them with a fork. The riper the bananas, the sweeter the cookies. Tip number 1. If your bananas aren't ripe enough, pop them in a warm oven for 5 minutes to soften and bring out their natural sweetness. Now, let's move on to the next step. Into a mixing bowl, I'm adding the mashed bananas, 1 cup of peanut butter, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Let's give this a quick mix until everything is well combined. Let me tell you a fun fact about the peanut butter. Peanut butter is rich in protein and healthy fats, making these cookies are a great energy booster. Now for the main ingredient, rolled oats. I'm adding 2 cups of rolled oats and mixing everything together. Tip number 2. Use old-fashioned rolled oats for the best chewy texture. Instant oats will make the cookies too soft. Now I'm adding dried cranberries and dried grapes for the burst of natural sweetness. Look at this beautiful cooking dough. It's already coming together. I'm taking small portion of the dough and placing them in a baking tray lined with baking paper. You don't need to make them perfect, just gently shape them into a round cookies. Tip number 3. If the dough is sticky, wet your hands slightly with water. It makes shaping much easier. Make sure to leave some space between each cookie. They will spread slightly while baking. Now, I'm baking these at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes until they turn golden brown. Let me tell you one more fun fact. Did you know? Baking at a lower temperature for a little longer makes cookies extra chewy and delicious. Now, our cookies are ready. Look at the beautiful golden brown color. The smell is absolutely amazing. I'll now transfer these to a cooling rack and let them cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will help them firm up and get the perfect texture. Tip number 4. Resist the temptation to eat them right away. Cooling helps the cookies hold their shape and enhance their flavor. See how soft and chewy they are inside. These are perfect with a cup of coffee or as a healthy snack anytime. Let me tell you last fun fact. Did you know oats contain a special fiber called beta glucan, which helps lower cholesterol and keeps you full for a longer time. These are seriously so good, chewy, nutty, and naturally sweet. And the best part, no refined sugar, no flour, just simple wholesome ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this easy and healthy oats cookies recipe. If you try, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Cooking Miles for more delicious and healthy recipes. This is Ranjita signing off. Bye-bye.